Outside Europe, gentlemen, please. Outside Europe. This is Golf number 3, P Papa, X X-ray T Tango. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray Tango. Calling CQ Dog X-ray outside Europe. Outside Europe. QRPs and others are still inside Europe, so please do not call. This call is for outside Europe. This is Golf number 3, Papa, X-ray Tango, running QRO, calling CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray, CQ Dog X-ray. This is Golf 3, Papa, X-ray Tango, outside Europe, please. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray Tango, calling CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray Tango, listening for any DX calls. Yeah, QRZ, the DX station, please again, QRX, please try again. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray Tango. Yeah, QRZ, please again. We got an iq0 on frequency. It hasn't, somebody's let him out of his cage. QRZ, please again. You have Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango. CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango. CQDX outside Europe, please. QRZ again. Yeah, the station, please try again. I got an iq0 on frequency. There's an iq0 whistling on frequency. Please try again. G3P G3 Papa, X-ray Tango, QRZ Dog X-ray. What an idiot. What an idiot, yes, I agree with the comment. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango, CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray, CQDX, outside Europe. CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray. You have Golf 3, P Papa, X X-ray, T Tango. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango, calling CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray, CQDX. Outside Europe, please. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango. Carefully listening for DX outside Europe. Yeah, negative copy. G3PXT, checking frequency, general call. CQDX, CQ, Golf 3, P Papa, X X-ray, T Tango, calling. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango, calling CQ. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango, general call. Golf 3, Papa, X-ray, Tango, okay.
Good evening, Jordan. Could you give me a quick radio report, M0JXQ?
Mike 0, Juliet, X-ray, Queen. Good evening, a nice strong signal, 5 by 9. No problems with the audio. Very, very nice to see you again, Clive. Hope you're all well. Last worked 5th of January this year. So hope everything's well with you, Clive. M0JXQ. Audio sounds good from Gordon. G3, Papa, X-ray, Tango, Norwich, Norfolk.
Yeah, thanks for that, Gordon. I'm only just whipping in for a cheeky little audio report and a quick radio report. I've just been playing around the area on the amplifiers. Thanks for that, but I'm going to let you carry on with your calling. 7 3s, and we'll speak again.
Yeah, you're 20 over, 20 to 30 over there, Clive. No problem at all. We got an IQ 0 round the frequency. Well, I don't think he's even got an IQ of 0, but we just ignore him. There is the easiest way, and we'll try and work through him. But running here the 59 ESG, driving the 8-calm 1500, 1K running. On the antenna is the 2-element urban step IR. So I've got a full-size resonant rotary dipole at 14 metres above ground, Clive. So as I said, you're about 30 over S9 on the meter. 0JXQ, Golf 3, Papa, X-Ray, Tango.
Yeah, no problem, Gordon. Thanks for the report. Just a quick one. I've just turned the amplifier off now, so I'm only running 100 watts. I don't even know why I bother. Anyway, it's only 100 watts. Another quick signal report would be nice.
Yeah, you're about 10 over now. The ZS6 Alpha Fox station. I'll try and pull you through in a minute, John. There. Yeah, no problem at all, Clive. There. I've just got an email from a ZS6 saying I'm S3 to S4. So we'll see if we can pull him through this evening. There, so no problem. There. But no problem, Clive. If you want to just stand by, we'll see if we can pull the ZS through there. And see if we can, either of us can copy him. ZS6 Alpha Fox, ZS6 Alpha Fox, John. I wonder if you can copy. Johan. There, Johan, ZS6 Alpha Fox, ZS6AF, ZS6 Alpha Fox. You have Gordon and company calling you from Golf 3, Papa, X-Ray, Tango. Please call John and we'll see if we can pull you through. They don't want the pump pulled off them. Yeah, negative copy at the moment, John. We got a couple of IQ zeros around the frequency there, John. I got a couple of IQ zeros around the frequency, so it's making it impossible to copy you if you are calling, John. So I will try one more listen for you and see if we can hear you. There, I'll just put my power back to 1 kilowatt. There. So I did drop it down to about 700, but put it back up to 1K. ZS6 Alpha Fox, ZS6 Alpha Fox, ZS6 Alpha Fox. I wonder if you copy, John. This is Gordon, Golf 3, Papa, X-Ray, Tango. Golf 3, Papa, X-Ray, Tango, KK. Yeah, 7-3, Clive, yeah, with this IQ 0 on there. I'm not going to hear the ZS that can hear me. There, I should be able to hear him because I usually can hear stuff right down to the noise floor when I haven't got a IQ 0 around the frequency. There, I don't have too high a noise floor here. And the antenna works very, very well on receiving a resonant dipole. The people are quite surprised how well I seem to get out. 7-3. ZS6AF, ZX6AF, I'll have another listen, see if I can hear you from Gordon, G3P at T. QR that again, I can hear something right down in the noise now that's all gone quiet. Please try again, please try again. Please again, please again. QRZ, the dog X-ray, I think it said S6 Alpha Fox. Please again, try again. I think I'm getting a 5 and 4. I'm getting a 5 by 4. You're about a 3 by 4, about a 3 by 4, but I thought I got a 5 by 4 there. Please confirm your call. ZS6 Alpha Fox, ZS6 Alpha Fox. Please confirm your call. Please confirm your call. ZS6 Alpha Fox. I give you a 3 by 4, 3 by 4. I think I got a 5 by 4 from you, a 5 by 4. Please confirm, ZS6AF, Golf 3, Papa, X-Ray, Tango, KK. And another one, thanks, good dog. Yeah, I can just hear you in there, John. I can't make a cue because I can't copy you good enough. I can't copy you good enough at the moment, so try again a little later. I will be hanging around the frequency for about another hour. They're trying to see what the band is like this evening. There. So we will have a look around. So give us another call if the band changes. Running 1K to a rotary dipole for 40 metres at 14 metres above ground. Golf 3, Papa X-ray Tango G3P XT. Golf 3, Papa X-ray Tango is calling CQ Dog X-ray, CQDX outside Europe. Golf 3, Papa X-ray Tango. CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray, CQDX, CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray, CQDX, CQDX, CQDX. This is G3 Papa X-ray Tango. Golf 3 P Papa X X-ray T Tango calling CQ Dog X-ray, CQDX, CQ Dog X-ray, CQDX. This is Golf 3 P Papa X X-ray T Tango. Golf 3 Papa X-ray Tango calling CQDX. Stand by for a call. At the 9 Charlie again. The 9 Charlie with the Lima. Try again. Sugar Queen 9 Charlie Papa Lima. Sugar Queen 9 Charlie Papa London. Good evening. You're about a 5 by 7, 57, 5 by 7. The name is the Gordon. Golf Oscar Radio Delta Oscar Norway. We're on the East Coast, UK, 110 north of London. Sugar Queen 9 Charlie Papa London confirm. Golf 3 Papa X-ray Tango. Yeah, fine, Robert. Fine, Robert. You're 5 by 7, 57. My name is Gordon. Golf Oscar Radio Delta Oscar Norway. Gordon. And my call is Golf 3 Papa X-ray Tango. Golf 3 Portugal X-ray Tango. Sugar Queen 9 Charlie Hotel London. And Robert 57 5 by 7 from Gordon. Golf 3 Papa X-ray Tango. KK.
Thank you all for coming back to my call. Your signal is also very strong in the south of Poland. My location is near the pipe. Signal is very strong and very clear. Best wishes from south of Poland to England to London.
Yep, roger that, Robert. 100% copy, no problem at all. A very nice quiet frequency, so no problems to copy at that time.
And also an outstanding signal here to the Isle of Wight once again. 20 to 25 dBs over on the peak, Stuart. Yourself?
Thank you. Likewise, that side, lovely strong signal and lovely object forward. WX is much the same as Western Coast and windy with a wet afternoon, but this evening has turned out to a nice bright evening and temperature reached about 22 degrees. So yeah, you're sounding good to this side. You're 20-25 over coming to the centre of Ireland. Mike 0 Oscar Papa Victor from EI6 with JPB.
Yeah, cheers, Alan. Well, I really appreciate the great reports. I say equally your fantastic signal once again. And as I may have said to you, or certainly for a few of the other Irish stations, it seems to be a pretty good take-off point into Ireland. And we always receive you guys really, really strong as well. So certainly once again, nice propagation here on 40 minutes. And you may have heard me just say to Dave there that this year I was on 20 minutes and there was a few openings over to North America, but it just went a little bit quiet. So I thought I'll just catch the last half an hour here before we go QRT on 40 and see what's coming through. But yeah, it seems to be very busy once again. So good to see the band in a good shape. But anyway, I really appreciate the call from you once again, Stuart. It's always a pleasure. And as I say, hopefully we'll catch you maybe over the weekend. We should be active. I wasn't sure if I was going to make it on the air this evening due to the WX on the island. Very strong southwesterly winds here this evening. So I think not particularly strong, but about 25 to 26 knots, I think, on the peak. But on this location, it's very, very exposed to the winds from the southwest and also the westerly direction. So my mast isn't guide, so I'm always a little bit cautious. But anyway, great to catch you there, Stuart. Thanks again for the call, and hopefully, as I say, we'll catch you over the weekend. And in the meantime, all the very best, and enjoy the evening. Echo India Secretary at Tango Bravo, Mike 0, Oscar, Papa Victor. 7-3, all the best. Bye-bye.
Likewise, Chief. Have a good weekend, and hope to get plenty of activity. And we'll get you over the weekend at some point. Nice getting it out once again. 73 from... running.
On the antenna is the 2-element urban step IR. So we've got a full-size rotary dipole on 40 meters, a resonant rotary dipole at 14 meters above ground level. Don't use an ATU in the circuit. We've got 1K going forward, and we have 1 watt coming, 0 to 1 watt coming back. That's what the linear shows me. That's flickering between 0 and 1 watt. What's this one? Oh yes, that's because I'm not quite on tune. I need to move up another side, but I won't do that while I'm TXing. I'm down on antennas tuned at 165 megs instead of 173. So it could come up a little, be shortened a little. That would flatten that out. The antenna resonates at whatever frequency I am on there. Also, I don't know if you know the step IR, but if I go down the bottom end of the band and I just dial in the frequency for the bottom end of the band and the antenna lengthens, and if I come up to the top end of the band, the length of the antenna physically shortens, so it's always resonant on the button across the whole of 40, no matter whether I'm in the low end at the CW end or the right at the top end. They're absolutely brilliant piece of engineering. Mind you, they are expensive, but it does what it says on the tin, and it does it very, very, very well. Very, very pleased with the purchase. I've had it about 6 months now, and it really does what it says on the tin and does it well. There. Yeah, my trip to Ireland, I'm afraid, got curtailed due to a accident. Not of my making, not of anybody else's making, but pure accident. I had a tyre blow out. I ended up lying on my side in a ditch. A harrowing experience, but we ended up having to struggle and get the vehicle and myself and the equipment all back home again. And we're now fighting the insurance company, and we're actually winning. At the moment, they have paid all my expenses. Now all we got to do is get the vehicle sorted and get that paid for. And they haven't actually turned around and started shouting that they're going to write it off completely yet. They told me to let them know what the repair bill is. So I'm waiting for the quote from the garage to get the vehicle back. I did chase them today, but they haven't got all the part listing in yet. They're putting it in the ditch. It didn't do too much in the way of body damage, but it done the whole front suspension in. The drive shafts were binding. The upper and lower wishbones are bent. The anti-roll bars bent and things like that. And the vehicle is 24-year-old, so new parts aren't readily available. But I told them I didn't mind as long as they were guaranteed parts, whether they were off another vehicle. I don't care as long as they get it back to square one. So they said that shouldn't be a problem, and they knew where there was another couple of my vehicles which they could salvage parts from. So that's we're just waiting for the tally of what's required and how long it'll take to put that together. And then we'll be back off on holiday again, but we won't be coming across to our EI again yet. That'll have to wait now till next year. Now, the reason for that is that I need to get another animal health certificate to bring my four-legged friend, because once you leave with it, it's guaranteed for 4 months. But if you return to the UK, it automatically cancels out. I mean, I didn't intend to come back to the UK until September on this visit. So next year I will head back across to Ireland. And I also want to go into Europe, and I found that I can catch a decent ferry from Rossallay to Cherbourg for the same cost as I can cross from Rossallay to Pembroke. It's exactly the same price. And I can catch a ferry all the way to Cherbourg. So the plan is to come across and do Ireland from Holyhead to Dublin, finish off my Ireland adventure, drop out the bottom at Rossallay and go into Cherbourg, and then travel down into Europe because I want to go to Charlie 31 next year, Bill. M10TLG from Gordon, G3PHT.
Okay, good. Well, I have to say you were 40 over there, 40 over, almost 50 over there at times in that last over. So I have to say you're sounding extremely good, Gordon. Definitely sounding real good there indeed. Anyway, yeah, well that was definitely a bit of a disappointment. The fact that you intended